Hello, I am Assistant Professor Vishakha Rasal. Today in this lecture, we are going to talk about significance of supply chain management. Supply chain management is an integral part of most of businesses and is essential to companies' success and customer satisfaction. What is the role of supply chain management? The primary role of supply chain management is to improve customer service standards and reduce the overall operational cost. Now this is the digital era. We are living in a digital era. So in this digital world, supply chain management process have undergone a drastic change. A process have evolved from manual and labor intensive to a more automated system based approach. And this transformation has helped businesses grow exponentially. See, before decade back, nobody has thought that there would be a online same day delivery. Now when we order something from Amazon or Flipkart or Club Factory, from any online store, many stores they just give delivery between 1 to 2 days. But before decade back, nobody has thought that it would happen. But it happened because of effective supply chain management. Automated techniques like logistics, software and warehouse management systems are optimizing businesses and helping them addressing the customer demands efficiently. No matter what the size of the business, but automated supply chain management can be great boon to business. These are some of the benefits of having an efficient SCM. So we will discuss what are the different significance of supply chain management. Number 1 is the improves customer service. Today with commercialization, customers are having different type of choices. They expect right product at right time, because there are many companies, they are competing with each other. So any mistakes or delay in delivery of orders can affect customer relationship. Automated supply chain management system help in streamlining these processes so that customer satisfaction and brand reputation are optimized. Next is the minimizes cost. The most significant role of supply chain is inventory management. Here, cost is minimized by keeping record on inventory first. For plants that acquire raw material from different vendors to make their products, it is important to keep a track on the available inventory. If the raw material get exhausted, then it will directly impact production. With the help of supply chain management, companies can view the detailed status of their inventory and order goods on time to avoid downtime. The next is the increases profitability. Profitability can be increased by reducing the operational cost of supply chain management. The operational cost of automated supply chain management system is quite low compared to the benefits it provides. If we compare benefits we are getting because of effective supply chain management and cost we need to incur there, then of course the benefits are more. So it helps companies take calculative decisions that can increase sales with win customer trust. For example, in India, suppose companies are selling 2 million of packets every year. If company decides to reduce the price of that tea packet just by 2 rupees, then the entire tea producing industry can save a considerable amount. If company decides just by reducing the price 2 rupees, then only it will be having a great impact on the industry, tea industry. An efficient supply chain process can improve the overall economy of the country. Then next is the reduces asset cost. It reduces asset cost also. A well-mapped supply chain process can eliminate a lot of components like warehouse, vehicle, labor, etc. For example, a company might choose to deliver the order from the manufacturer plant and not from his physical warehouse. These small changes in planning can save a huge asset. Next is the supports the healthcare sector. We can understand the importance of supply chain management in today's COVID-19 situation. Hospitals, they are looking for so many medical equipments, and here supply chain management plays a very important role, because in times of an epidemic the role of supply chain management is very critical. During any medical emergency, supply chain ensures that the medicines reach the affected region in the most limited time. Provisions like helicopters, mobile hospitals are made to restore the situation immediately. All local hospitals also depend on the supply chain for their medicines and medical equipment. Then next is the restores crisis situations. During any climatic hazards like earthquake or floods, the supply chain plays a significant role. The delivery of food packet, clothes, medicines and other necessary items is transported through various modes on a continuous basis. Any lapse in the supply chain planning at this stage can be a risk of human life. So here also in a crisis situation, supply chain plays a very important role. And last one is the improves the economy. If we want to take an example of country who makes its economy better, then we can take the example of China. China, we know China delivers so many things to different countries, and it's because of only they are having a good supply chain management system. They keep their production cost very low, and they have effective management system, and because of that they are making their economy better and better. China is the biggest example an efficiently managed supply chain. It sells its goods to the world, from a small pen, pencil to even a smartphone. They sell everything, and they handle that delivery at very optimum cost, very minimum cost, and thus their profit are enormous. They have a big profit. Another country we can take example here is the United States. United States also, they are also having a good supply chain management system, and this directly impacts earning and makes their economy stronger. So here we have understood what is the significance of supply chain management in today's world. If companies wants to make profit, then they must have a strong supply chain management, a very effective supply chain management, because by reducing different type of cost, they can make a better profit. I hope you have understood this topic. We will see in next lecture. Thank you.